New tool! My old table saw is one of the Craftsman ones with a short fence with a crank, but it's made of pot metal, so of course it breaks and it's not very square. And the fence itself was junk too. But I got this, which has an 8-foot unifence. It's a Delta contractor saw. What model? I never did see. 34-441. So I really lucked out on this, even though it's in kind of rough shape, but it should clean up very nicely. I'll replace these tabletops. I'll get all the rust off of this. I'll make a new throat plate because this is not flat. Put a new link belt on it, even though it came with a replacement belt. This is from who knows when. It's got dry age cracks in it already. Oh, and it came with a fence too. It's heavy. This whole thing weighs probably 250 pounds or something like that. So, oh, I got that on wrong. Oh well. Yeah, it's got a very nice fence system. It has one of these, so that's cool. Always wanted one of those. Looks like it had two. I might try to source a replacement. So for this, I paid $150, and I can probably sell my old Craftsman for about that much. So, yay me. It does come with a motor too. It's currently wired for 220, but it's a dual voltage, so there's a low voltage there. So I'll switch that over, replace the belt, replace the wires, and clean everything up, and it'll be a great saw. Oh, I'm gonna also have to add a mobile base because I don't have a whole lot of space right now, and I need this to be able to move around out of the way. All right, see you around.